The long-awaited moment has finally arrived. Wagwan. So the book there, Blessings and Respect. Long process, but finally complete a mission. More want to know how good that feel. Enough never expect this. And big up to the people I always say, big up. You don't know Amaziyah the Great. Did it! Finally. Author. Tell them precisely. That's the title there right now. Wanna know the whole history, who know. Who no know, just don't know. But I'm gonna make someone know about the journey. So it's been 4 decades and more within the garrison. Spanish town. Red Panama place for the Bedley and Wallaba Road. When I don't know the settings, who know. Who don't know, just don't know. But as a garrison youth, we're proud to say we never turn to crime and violence. We fight with words. We don't fight with action and violence and left people in a silence. So at the end of the day, me there tried in one place in New York. I go and walk. I pass the park, but park never so appealing for me shot the video. So I say I'm gonna just go over the mall and see if I can relate to it after all. So this is just a perfect example to make the youth them know. So listen, you don't have to bust no gun. You don't have to do no war and crime and violence and no robbing and all these things. Education is very essential. Don't Cry by Craig A. Kirkland. And as I say, who know me as Amaziyah the Great know me as that name. But Craig A. Kirkland is my real name. And this book is available on Amazon.com. You get me? So let's go and go check it out, my people. And support another brilliant and talented Jamaican. Always to know to war, no to crime. Peace and love we are dealing with every time. Big up all the poetry warrior up on the battlefield. You get what I say? Because enough of you out there go and do it. And I say I do a video particularly for the Jamaican people because enough of them lacking support. Enough of them vloggers, enough of them media houses. Want to see youth with real talent. Enough of them missing. And I can't understand why. You get to me and say, but at the end of the day, this me I tell you them about. Be authors and create stories that people can relate to. Because I have like about 100 poems in the book, yeah. Mostly talking about upliftment and motivation, my journey, my struggles, the whole 9 yards. And at the end of the day, I try to tell you them say, stay focused and don't turn to crime and violence and war. You get to me and say because we all there for greater reasons and purposes. And at the end of the day, we want to stay for blessings and respect. Yes.
Thank you so much.
All right. Yeah, so as I said, we're there in the mall, I go on with a vibe. So I'm going to go and keep it real, say, but find somewhere which part. Can probably recite 1 or 2 of the poems them. You know, we try not to disturb people. You know, a thing go. But at the end of the day, big up my picking them. My parents. Because this book dedicated to my parents and my children, Naisha and Johnny. Yeah, some say don't cry. And the first poem that is in this book, Don't Cry, yeah, write it like when I was almost completed in writing the book, yeah, you see me? Mainly I reach out to my picking them as my son before, and my parents. So you just go and go check it out, people. Check it out and support it to the fullest. See it there? Yeah. So I wait for find a spot which part I can drop toward the poems. You get me? Go up on the escalator. I'm gonna see what I go on. Yeah, see it there? Don't cry. Amazon, it's available on. So go check it out. Craig A. Kirkland book, aka Amaziyah the Great. But you're not gonna type in Amaziyah the Great on the Amazon. Type in just as how I told you. Craig Kirkland. Craig A. Kirkland. Remember the A, cause I see somebody else name Craig Kirkland. I hold it more Craig Kirkland about. So remember initial Craig A. Kirkland. You get me? So please do give some support. Share the video, make the world see and hear the video. Support greatness. Tell them precisely the great way is the great way while the sunshine will make air. Big up all of the youth them who never stop. Keep on soaring to higher heights. Progressive move, upliftment, and betterment we want in our world today. You get what I say? So big respect to the people who stay focused and never stop. Check it out on Amazon. Yeah. So see a little place where I can sit down for a minute. It's not crowded, so probably can read to a poem while sitting in another chair. See some chair over here, so yeah. So I go hold a vibe look a bit and see if I can recite look a bit. Go check it out on Amazon, people. Support this Jamaican multi-talented individual. You get to me, so the journey continue and the struggle real, but when I stop, stay focused. Alright, let me see if I can read too quick. Real quick. And there's a page where I tell us, yo, believe in yourself. So all of the youth them who feel like them can't make it, use me as a perfect example and believe in yourself. Just pray and hope. You get what I say? But never stay one side and say, oh, things not work and the place dark and you know, see no light at the end of the day. You watch this. I have to make moves. You get what I say? And never stop till you achieve your goals them in a life. Don't cry. Mama, don't cry. I'm gonna make this work. Never stop praying for us, even when you're experiencing the worst. I'm here fighting tough days, Mom, inside hurt, but don't cry. Even though tears in my eyes, as if I am crying, as if I am inside church. Listen to this, I will not quit. Even if I have to keep crawling in the dirt, don't cry. Dada, don't cry, you try to make things work. You are my first hero, you motivate me to surf. Son about the ball thinking you failed, Dad, I value your worth. You inspire me immensely. Now, Almighty God is at work. I am going to ignite luminosity all over this earth. I told my kids don't cry, they never got it at first. They were so excited to see Daddy's first merch. Not like Cecilia Boots online. Honestly, at times, it feels like my life in reverse. Many depending on me, I have to emerge. I swear to God, I will break this generational curse. And that's the first poem. Someone can go check it out. You get to me, I say no joke not about it. The second one is called My Journey Unstoppable. Remember me tell us that the journey continuing, so never stop. An earthquake came and cracked the surface. The air was so hot I could hardly breathe. Still no water to quench my thirst yet. I kept crawling in weak knees. No shelter, no home, my kids were hungry. Believe me, I was broke without a dime. Naisha kept asking, where is mommy? Johnny, listen, stop the crying. The distraction invades unexpected. You are silly, Craig, that's why you are neglected. I remained pensive and barefoot on the hot gravel. My mind went dull as it travels. I believe in myself, I stayed positive and calm, although tears kept streaming from dusk till dawn. I was abandoned alone in the dark for nights and days. I kept working hard to God to set my sparks ablaze. Close one laughed, pretended they care. Behind my back they wanted me to disappear. Hypocrites are they, yeah, I swear. When they were looking to see me beneath the earth, I am way above the clouds. In a new place, seen radiantly clear, unstoppable, without fear. The next one is called For Our Children to Know. And we'll probably do about 3 or 4 more and close off after this one. So if you don't want the book, just go check it out. You see me, I say, and support a brother who try uplift the youth them. We have something for the ladies. I've got something about the youth them, motivate them more. I got something about the system, so much different things. So it's a wide variety of poems. You get me? But it's not a kid's book. I label it as an adult book because there are mature stuff in it. But you know, people who get it so far say we must make a next edition because they want the kids them to have this book because so much positive things in it. But when you decide, when you read, please left some reviews on the Amazon page, make them see say thing are going greatly. For Our Children to Know, and every poem in this written by me. I want my children to know me as one that is great. Education is essential, time mustn't waste. With the power of knowledge, there's no limit to what you can create. You will encounter hurdles in life, even frightening earthquakes, but never stop, aim high and escalate. I also stumbled and fell on my journey, yeah, I made mistakes, still I elevate and stay awake, fueling my mind with positive energy, while I vibes and meditate. I pay close attention to nature and sounds birds make. People business, me I discuss and I mix up, me I partake. My heart aches, I can't take pretenders and liars, all fake. Hence why I separate myself from illusion. Confusion will never penetrate the core of my mind. I smile, I embrace greatness, fairness among all human race. Notice this face, me I live trace. I will never disgrace my people for position. My rather empowers you in this case. But it's somewhat complicated when the world is in a sick state. Love, politics, religion are folks in a trick state. Miseducation, misinformation, misunderstanding, mistakes are the reason for your failure. So rise and surprise them with a bliss face. Tell them precisely. And as me telling you before, it's a great way, the gateway while the sunshine will make air. So over 100 poems. Let me skip through. After America, no, I'm not drop that one there. You don't want to hear after America, you don't have to just go and check it out. Now try to find something for the female them. Alright. I have the part that lock. I not have to looking at the book. For going to the part for the female them. I go on a holiday in. I spent a few days of my holiday in the Holiday Inn while I was hauled away in her. We took warm shower together. She gripped me tightly, nicely, precisely. I whispered soft words in her ear, telling her how much I care. She called me God, but no, I was more like Moses as I stretched forth my rod. Damn, she was sexy. Her beautiful body impressed me. Like the ocean's wave, I was gliding like I was on a jet ski. Round 2, so we exited the bathroom to the bed. She opened and spread, uttered these words and said, honey, I want you to kick me with your big Timberland boots, knock me out till I'm dead. I was like, baby, calm down. Can't I be gentle instead? But before I could have done chat, it was like Mortal Kombat. She said, come here, I'm gonna finish you, Craig. On top of me, bouncing blissfully like a happy kangaroo. My girl, you win, that's why I honor you. You know the Twitter or IG, but make me tell her precisely because you know how to TikTok. That's why I follow you. Once again, my people, here it is. Go check it out on Amazon. Don't cry. You get to me and say. And there are whole heap of poem in there to inspire the youth them. And as me say, me da go do 3 or 4 more. That's 1. Me a go do domestic abuse 1. Someone might hear that one day already. My name is Pam. See, Pam was sad and sulky because Roy always made her cry. He was too busy being a boisterous bully, plus a sour selfish guy. She was somewhat bewildered as tears rained from her weeping eyes. Her relationship wasn't smooth sailing, so she told him goodbye. He yelled, "Hey, if you ever leave, damn, you're gonna die. I'm the one who make you and I'll break you, so go on if you wanna try." The nosy neighbor from next door shouted somebody called police. She was by her usual spot at the zinc fence where she peeped. Mary was too busy taking a selfie to share a Facebook post. Suddenly start recording and virally shared it most. The preaching pastor came praying, but counseling never worked. Pam ran away the following day when Roy was out for work. She later found Dick, who gave her firm attention. She enjoyed having sex, but oops, no protection. A few months later, she was pregnant. No baby father was around. Her mind went Googling, but Dick was never found. Billy Shirley took her up and offered her to be his bride. She was more than delighted and promised never to leave his side. Thought he was the baby's father. Happiness displayed evidently in his eyes. Billy felt silly. He found out it wasn't so and later committed suicide. Pam never had good education. She sold back juice to make ends meet. A few months after she gave birth, she was selling her body on the streets. Life journey got intricate. She prayed and said, "Oh God, I can't take no more." A year after, she bought a car. Some people called her whore. She later furthered her education because she knew she wanted to soar. Now can you guess and tell me who is the janitor at her self-owned clothing store? So, that story there is like, me have to big up my sister Quality. Because if you check YouTube, you will see me have a small video as it relates to that topic. And we say no to domestic abuse because I can't understand why some boy be treating our females, disrespecting our women. We not support that something there. So we tell them, say no, abusers have to go. Tell them precisely. And these are the messages we try to put across out there. You get what I say? Because at the end of the day, we not promote no war, no crime, no violence. How I go on? Outside you even get cola.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, respect, blessings.
Thank you.
Alright. Yeah, so that was my little vibe in there. How about the backside? Is that wrong with me? I see some holy thing. I go on, it's like just a lock off our yellow tape. So about 2 more or 1 more poem left. So which one me I go now? Me I go now. Respect. And we have to say respect goes a far away. Respect to the elders them. Respect to my parents. Respect to the veterans them. Respect to everybody who paved the way for we. That's what could have there, so. You get what I say? Maximum respect. And thanks. Everybody who ever support and contribute to my growth. Respect to the youth them, because the youth them are the future. I see you seeing both during a race 2016, enough people burn them out because he come third. Lane Thompson did last, and you don't know the history already, but I'm running at the point real quick because it's just so cool. And I see one place I want to take a nice look at picture with my book I promote it. You're saying about got brands in London and some are saying sell out. Elaine Thompson lost the race, well, if a negative remarks, yell out. One who expect sure respect because history was created. America bow down to a legend, honor, greatly appreciated. Hey, not just locally but globally, Jamaicans did it. Keep your negative remarks to yourself and don't even get close up with it. Be proud of who you are I am the great one. To all our athletes and icons, I say congratulations. The problem I encountered every day with my own race, but mine and envy smiling at my own face, sneakingly, creepingly want to take my own space. Mankind so unkind, ignorance, frown face. Lovers gone below 0 degree, frozen cold state. Pensive in my thoughts, mind traveling zone space. My girlfriend won't even have sex with me, vex with me, says she want time alone space. I try to get her attention, focus on her phone face. Nowadays we can't even relate but display more hate. Anger escalate, too much alarming crime rates. Your morals slowly deteriorates, and that concerned me. Yeah, you are people. Go check the book out on Amazon. Check this book out on Amazon and support it to the fullest. Don't cry. Share this with your friends and families all about which part of the world you're not there. Support this and you can get it on Amazon.com. Don't Cry by Craig A. Kirkland. Support this to the fullest. A link will be inside this video here or somewhere up there up at the top, but support it to the fullest. Blessings and respect. Do take great care and have a great day. Much love. Precisely. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Precisely Great. Like my TikTok. Follow me on TikTok at Artist Craig Kirkland. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, youtube.com/Great Amaziyah. Greatness. Precisely.